we went from this to this result. This is what I tested, and I hope it's gonna work for you as well. So right click, new item, select adjustment layer, and just drag this on top of your video. Now, once you've done that, just go to effects and just search sharpen and drag and drop sharpen and unsharpen mask onto your adjustment layer. From here, let's go to effects controls and just increase the sharpen and then the amount to about 60, and the radius here depends a bit about depends on the footage you work with. And this still didn't work, you can also use Lumetri color to change the highlight or the color, the basic correction.